Hi Catherine, I've just noticed that the previous video sent on Monday has no sound, so I'm re-recording it. So this is C4 and C6, and we're looking at modifications to this surface, making those two surfaces look a little bit more like a desk. Ergonomically, they're not going to be ideal as a desk. I wouldn't encourage you to use them for anything other than a very temporary desk, because you've got a fixed height of, it's going to be around 780 millimeters. That is generally too high for a desk. You're going to give your staff or yourselves ergonomic problems if you use that long term. What else did I want to say about this? Yeah, so this is the 7-rung variant and the 55 centimeter width. There are 3 different widths: 35 centimeter, 45 centimeter and 55 centimeter. So you could see that, you know, it doesn't have to be symmetrical. You could have a 35 there, a 45 there. You could have 2 35s, 2 45s, giving you more, you know, space in that knee well. There's all sorts of ways you could spin this. All of this is going to have some effect on the price. For example, if you went to a 10-rung basket, that's going to give you more height. It exacerbates the ergonomics problems for using that as a desk. And it also, because it's giving you more basket capacity, your costs are going to go up. If you have lots of the shallow basket, the 8 centimeter height basket, it's going to mean lots more baskets, so your costs are going to go up. But I think for a product designer, an interior designer, it's the 8 centimeter shallow basket. It's going to be the most valuable size for samples. But you design what you want, and then we can have a conversation about price. I don't need to take the same level of profit on every single basket. If you want to populate these entirely with 8 centimeter baskets, we can do something that works. Let's look at C6, which is the 10 rung. And if you can just ignore those casters in this video, I've been playing around with this model since Monday, so those have reappeared and I'm not going to fiddle around getting rid of them now. Let's go into a perspective view, make that slightly pleasanter to look at. So same comments stand about the upstand and the surface. They're of no consequence really. Again, that little shape there is the top, because I've been playing around with that model. That's not going to appear on your design. And we're looking at the 45 wide tower this time, so you can see has a huge difference on that knee hole. Not much else I can tell you about this. I've given you some prices. The final price, the 2 prices I've given you, gives a sensible range, and as I've said, it will come down to what are the actual baskets and tower sizes that are most useful to you. When we've got to what is most useful to Catherine, we will then find a price that works for Catherine. Let's not be driven by price. Okay, that's everything. I hope that's useful, and I understand your situation. You'll get back to me when it's the right time for you, the studio and finances. That's completely normal. Alright, it's been fun looking at this. Speak to you soon. Bye bye.